Niggas want a crib in the coupe, low mileage. Going on some dope with a yellow bone style. It's so high, and niggas wanna know why I ride with semi-automatic by my side. Cause I got niggas coming at my head, but I won't let the bitches stop my bread. A motherfucker wanna show my dough. I hit him twice with the black bow. The witness, courtroom, no show. And what a nigga don't know, go.
Alright guys, welcome back to the vlog. Hasn't really been too much going on since the dyno. I've been waiting on parts and such. Ty's been waiting on parts and just doing wiring. But, you guys finally get to meet the trio of Team South Sliders.
What's up, guys?
This is Reed, aka Junior, aka Ricky Bobby, aka I ain't got no shins, aka my car ain't done but it's almost done. Alright, so this man's got the two front, the RB Twanky, full roll cage, full custom dash. But today what we're working on is making a cage for the fuel cell. See, ain't got nothing back here. No sauce. But soon sauce. Hopefully this horrible weather holds off for a little bit. We got a little break, so it's okay. But we're gonna get to work and check back. Alright, well guys, yeah, the weather didn't hold up as you can see. So we kinda had to push the car in. Didn't show up, but got all the pieces cut. About to start welding this baby up now. Yeah, boy.
Got a message in the bottle, hit the throttle, coddle, click and clack my semi-auto, tryna see through. Got a message in the bottle, throttle in my coddle, click and clack my semi-auto, cause I'm tryna see through model. Bought a condo for my topper, working that taco. It's the top selling vato, 23s on the Tahoe. TV screens, margarita machines with street marines. Love for the Crips and Bloods and Latin King. If it means anything, this for all my G's. I'm in jail cause I forgot my ABC. A DWI, drunk and high. Another DW, drunk and another DWI, drunk and high. I'll be out before the motherfucking sun can touch the sky. They call me Young Thurston Howe the Third, and that's my word. Swing, I'ma swerve, park and scrape the curb.
What's so happening, Ooh, that's the one.
This guy's pretty good. What did you say? Self-approval?
Little buff.
Ain't a buff out. I like it. Looking good. Looking good, Ricky Bobby.
42 more welds to go.
14 more, no, 16. Non-counting motherfucker.
Slap him in the face.
There's no pizza.
I was hauling ass.
Bro.
You were?
Yeah. That's wild. Look at that.
So the less seats up, the better? That was probably really hard.
Yeah.
That was hard, boy.
It's not focusing, it's fucking trash. Focus on
There's
this,
no faces.
Focus on this.
Show them this, I haven't seen that in the car yet.
Dumb fuck, I saw that.
It's like, oh look, a light!
I don't even know if the camera can catch that.
Of course it can.
Squad.
Shut the fuck up. Boy, you don't learn today.
Go to your home.
No, it's not that.
I'm on a crib in a coupe, low mileage. Going on some dope with a yellow bone style. It's so high, and niggas wanna know why I ride with semi-automatic by my side. Cause I got niggas coming at my head, but I won't let them bitches stop my bread. A motherfucker wanna show my dough. I hit him twice with the back foe. The witness, courtroom, no show. And what a nigga don't know, go.